Hello, welcome back to Prime Tech Data and GIS Solutions. We are continuing with basics of GIS, and today we'll be taking you through georeferencing. So, georeferencing is the process of assigning real-world coordinates to a number of reference points selected on an image. There are several methods of georeferencing. There is map to map, there is ground to map, and then there is use of coordinates on the map, and that's what we'll be considering today. We want to use coordinates on the map to georeference our image. So um, right here, this is our map, and we'll be using it for today's exercise. And so what this is telling us is that the reference point, the spatial reference of this map, of this image, does not correspond or does not conform to this spatial reference of the data frame. So we need to bring this to the same reference system such that other data sets that are within that same reference system, it will be easy for us to validate them. So um, this is our easting, that's our longitude, and then this is our northing, that's our latitude or our y-axis, and those are what we'll be using to do the georeferencing. And then before we georeference, there are a number of rules that need to be added to, and the first one is the fact that these control points must be easy to identify on the map. And aside from that, they should be spread across the map or the image to be georeferenced. So um, we can have our point one here, another point here or here, another point here, and another point here. So they must be spread across the image to be georeferenced. And then we'll be using the first order polynomial to georeference, and this requires a minimum of 3 points for an image to be georeferenced. So with that, I've activated my georeferencing toolbar, and if you have not done that, you will just right click on this empty space and bring in your georeferencing tool, and then it displays it on this window, and then you can dock it. And so right here, you see this first icon. This is add control point. So you can just click on it, and then your cursor changes to this plus sign, and then you can zoom in onto the point, the reference point you are choosing for your georeferencing. So for the first point, I'll be choosing this particular area. That's longitude 3 degrees and latitude 13 degrees 30 minutes north. So don't forget to zoom in so that you can have a clearer view of the point of intersection of those two um, points. And then you click on it, and then you right click. Once you right click, you see impute X and Y, and then you see impute DMS of longitude and latitude. So you can choose any one that you want. But right here, I'll be choosing impute X and Y. So for this first point, our X is 3 degrees, right? So impute 3 degrees, and here you have 13 degrees 30 minutes. That's 13.5 in decimal degrees, apparently. So you can click on that, and then we can choose this point as our second point. So you can zoom in as well, and here you have it. So this is here. So you can so click here, and then right click, and then for our X we have 12, and our Y we have 13.5. You can put on full extent again. For the third point, we can choose this side, and right there we have our X to be 3, right, and our Y to be 6. And then the last point would be here, and our X is 12, and our Y is 6. So once you do that, you can put it back on full extent, and then click on georeferencing toolbar here and click on update georeferencing. So right now, this image has been converted, has been transformed to this reference system. So the image has been georeferenced, and then two additional files have been created in the folder where we saved the initial image. Yeah, thank you for watching, and then do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our post notification. Thank you.